Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Mr. English Learning, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Charlie, and I'm so happy to see you again.
And I'm Paul. Today, we have a very exciting topic: how to learn English fast in 1 month.
Paul, do you think someone can really improve their English a lot in just 1 month?
Yes, I do, but only if they stay focused and practice every day.
That's true. Many learners want fast results, but they feel scared to start.
I feel the same sometimes. Starting is the hardest part, but once you begin, it gets easier.
So let's share some simple tips. First tip, give yourself a small daily goal. For example, learn 5 new words every day.
Yes, and speak those words out loud. When you speak, you remember faster.
Another tip is to listen to English daily. Short videos, simple stories, or even children's cartoons.
That's a great point. Easy English helps you build confidence. You don't need to understand everything.
Exactly. Just enjoy the process. And create an English environment. Change your phone language, think in English, or describe your day in English.
And don't forget, practice with someone. Even talking to yourself in the mirror helps.
I love that. I do it too. It feels funny, but it really works.
So the real secret is not magic. It's daily effort. Even 15 minutes a day can change your English in 1 month.
Yes. Small steps become big progress. Trust yourself and keep going.
You can do this. You are stronger than you think.
And we're always here to help you grow. And don't forget to subscribe my channel.
Yes, also like my video and leave a comment.